WordPress is a quite interesting platform that allows to create stunning websites in minutes. Either you want to install WordPress locally for learning purpose by using Xampp or want to create sites for your clients on local computer. Here is the video on how to do it. Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Vidia, and you can continue to watch this video if you are totally beginner or doing it for more than first time. To install WordPress locally on the personal computer, firstly, we need to convert our PC to a local server. We can get this job done via Xampp software, so the whole process is divided into two steps. First is converting our PC to a server, and secondly, installing the WordPress. So, let's get started. Open your web browser. In my case, it is Chrome browser. In the search bar, write Download Xampp. Open the official site named apacheFriends.org given in the first. On the home page of the website, you will see different options regarding the software version. You can download it for Windows, Linux, or Mac operating system. Download the version as per your machine. In my case, it is Windows 64-bit. Click on the download button and your download will be started. Now open the new tab in your browser. Open up the official website of WordPress.org. Click on the button named Get WordPress. Next, scroll the page and you are given with the download button. Double-click on the download button and your download will be started. By now, it is 5.8.1. Probably, it could be different and you just need to download the latest one. Now, we downloaded the required softwares. In the download folder of your PC, open up Xampp Installer. Double-click on the installer and it will open the installation process. Install Xampp as per the default settings. The installation process can take a few minutes, so be patient. In my case, I am forwarding the video to 5x. Once the installation complete, you will see the Finish dialog. Click Finish, and you are done with Xampp installation. Once Xampp is installed, we need to launch the software to make our PC a server. In order to do so, write Xampp in the search box in the left-down corner of your PC screen. Click on the Xampp icon, and it will launch the software. Now turn on the tabs for the MySQL and Apache. Now our local PC is converted to a server. Now, again move to the download folder. Extract the files in the zip folder of downloaded WordPress. Once you are done with extracting, navigate to the extracted folder. Press Ctrl+A to select all and then Ctrl+C to copy all files. Now navigate to the Xampp folder in C drive of your PC. Open up the Xampp folder and navigate to folder named htdocs. Create the folder on the name of your new website. Open up the folder and paste all the files in the folder. Once you are done with the process, move back to your home screen. Now it's time to create a database for your website. Once again, open up your web browser. In the search bar, write localhost/phpMyAdmin. Make sure to open phpMyAdmin after launching the Xampp. It will open up the home page for phpMyAdmin. In the right sidebar, click on the New. It will ask you for the name of the database. Give the same name as you mentioned for the site folder in your C drive. After giving name, click on the Create button. Your database is created now. It's time to configure the WordPress installation. In the search bar, write down the localhost / your site name. It will open up the configuration wizard. Select your language. In my case, it's English and move next. Next, click on the option Next Go. Here you have to give the details. Firstly, write the same name of the database, just created by you. For localhost, always use the name, root. It is common for all. In password section, continue without any password. For database host, keep the default set localhost. While in the table prefix, you can mention WP1 or WP2 if you are thinking to install more than one WordPress websites locally. Click on the Submit option. The next page will ask you to run installation. A new table will ask you for the general information regarding your website. Give the title of your site as per your need. In my case, it is WordPress Demo. Give the username of the administrator. Set a password as per your will. Remember that this username and password will be required if you log into your site for another time. In the email section, give the email address of your mail account. And then click Install WordPress. Once installed, you will be redirected to the final page. Click on Login and give your chosen username and password. Again, click on the Login. Here is the dashboard of your WordPress website. You can customize and do other settings as per your requirement with ease. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.